Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this JPEG, I believe it is. Let's look at it. It's a bitmap, but it's only 640 dots per inch. And it's pretty big, it's 15 inches, and you could reduce it. She's saying, or they are saying it takes forever to trace. Well, I do have Corel 2021, and it might trace a little quicker. But if you have trouble tracing, and it takes long, just make your object smaller. Let's go to bitmap and let's look at the resample. And now it's 2,700 dots per inch, which is a lot better. Go to convert to, well, don't even convert it to a bitmap. Just go bitmap, outline trace, clip art. And it says it's going to take just like 5 seconds. And it is almost done. It's 36%. It'll speed up here in just a second. And then you can always make it back to the size. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to move my new traced one out of the way. Now, when I first looked at it, I thought I didn't trace very well because the bricks just look like this. But if you look at the original picture is made up of those same bricks. So it really traced it quite well. And then you can make it whatever size you wanted. I think this, let me get rid of the yellow box. Let me select this. It's 14.92 inches. So while this is still grouped together with your ratio lock, you could make it 14.92 inches. And then it would be the same side. Now, if we bring in a yellow box, make it field of yellow object order backup page, you can see that the windows are in white. That is my copy. I'm just going to delete it. Now, you could go through here and go to object, group, and ungroup, and actually take and individually ungroup and take away these whites. But there's quite a few, so let's use find and replace. Let's get rid of this right now. Normally, I keep a copy. And let's use find and replace. So don't really have to select the item, but I always select it. Go to edit, find and replace. And right here, put selected. You don't have anything else on your page, so it doesn't really matter. Edit query, double click on it. Go down to uniform field and actually type on the text. And this will come up, have that checked. Go down to your color, get the eyedropper tool, and go over and get that white. Put OK, OK, find all, and then hit delete. And then it took away all the white. This is going to engrave pretty well. I would definitely make sure it's an RGB. It's got several different colors of fill. So we're just going to grab it and we can right click on that, and now we have it, it's all, so I just right clicked or left click, excuse me, on my fill, and now we got a good RGB color. I mean, the picture is not perfect, but I think if you started changing anything, you would just mess things up because it's not a perfect drawing and it's probably not intended to be perfect. This would be very easily to be redrawn, and you could add some bricks, but then you would actually just change up, the scenario of it. And if you look at it with your pick tool, there's a few little pointers right here that I might take out. Just change up a little bit and, maybe not have some sharp edges. But other than that, I wouldn't change a thing. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.